Stand up, brother. Stand up, sister. Stand up, brother. Stand up, sister. Don't you let your young life get you down. It's always had a certain mystery. Many changes come to everyone about the time that they turn 17. Grandma said at times you'll feel a sting. There'll be shots turning up, using closed doors. Then she said, hold on to your faith, 'cause in this world you got to go and get yours. So you stand up, be strong, go out there, hold on to the real things that matter. 'Cause no one's gonna hand to you on a silver platter. There's no need to feel you're on your own. Just let your intuition guide you through. Take one step toward what you believe. Don't be afraid to make your move. In my head, those words remind me what Grandma said. At times you feel sting. There were sharp turns up, heels and closed doors. Then she said, hold on to your faith. Don't be scared, go out there. Just stand up, be strong, go out there. Hold on to the real things that matter. 'Cause no one's gonna hand to you on a silver platter. Stand up.
Imagine me and you, I do. I think about you day and night. It's only right to think about the girl you love and hold me tight, so happy together.
If I should call you up in just a time and you say you belong to me, and use my mind, imagine how the world would be so very fine, so happy together. I can't see me loving nobody but you for all my life. When you're with me, baby, the skies leave me blue for all my life.
Me and you and me, no matter how they toss the dice, it has to be the only one for me is you and you for me, so happy together.